Welcome to Maths TV. Today we'll be going through IGCSE Maths paper 21 May-June 2019. Today we will be going through Mathematics IGCSE paper 2 extended 058021 May-June 2019. Question number 1. Work out $1.20 as a percentage of 16. So we will write 1.20 divided by this 16, and for percentage we will be multiplying by 100. When we calculate 1.2 divided by 16, and this will be multiplied by 100, this is equal to 7.5%. So 7.5% we can write over here also. Factorize. This is question number 2. Factorization. Factorize. We'll have to check what is common. So y is common in both. So 5 minus 6p will be the remaining part. So our answer will be y into 5 minus 6p. Question number 3. We have to calculate this one. This is basically 1 mark calculator usage question. So shift this cube root of 8.1 squared minus 1.3 raised to the power 0.8, and this is equal to 4.0078. So we can write 4.001. 4.001. Then question number 4. An equilateral triangle has sides of length 15 correct to the nearest centimeter. Calculate the upper bound of the perimeter. So upper bound will be, this is equilateral triangle, so it will be, all sides will be equal. So 15 centimeter, upper bound of 15 centimeter will be equal to 15.5, and we know that all three sides we have to take round for perimeter. So 3 into 15.5, this will be equal to 3 multiplied by 15.5. So this will be equal to 46.5. So 46.5 will be our answer. The volume of cuboid is 180 centimeters. So it's cuboid having 180 centimeters. The base is a square. So base will be square. Square will be having both sides equal. So this side will be 6 and this side will be 6 because this is square. So length and width are both same, and height we don't know. So height we have to find. So it will be length into width into height. Height we can suppose as x, and this is equal to volume, which is 180, given 180 centimeter cube. So this will be 36. X is equal to 180, and x will be equal to 180 divided by 36. So this will be 180 divided by 36 will be equal to 5. So this is equal to 5. Our answer will be 5 centimeters. Question 5 is done. Now question number 6 is simplify. We have to simplify this t21 divided by t raised to the power 7. So this will be when it is division sign, powers will be subtracted. So 21 minus 7, t raised to the power 21 minus 7, this will be t raised to the power 14. 21 minus 7 is 14. So our answer will be t raised to the power 14. B part, u raised to the power 5 whole raised to the power 5. So these two powers will be multiplied. U will be equal to 5 into 5, which is equal to u raised to the power 25. So our answer will be u raised to the power 25. Question number 7. The diagram shows a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, you know, is 90 degree, having one angle as 90 degree. This is 90, this is 35. So calculate the value of x. We have to find this x. So this will be the opposite, and this is hypotenuse. So opposite over hypotenuse, x over 12 will be equal to sine of 35 degrees. So sine of 35 degrees. So x will be equal to 12 multiplied by sine 35 degrees, and this is what we have to calculate. 12 into sine 35 degrees, this will be equal to 6.88. So we can write 6.88, and answer at the proper place will be 6.88. Now question number 8, which is circle theorem question. A, B, C are points on the circle, center O, this center is O. Find the obtuse angle AOC. AOC, this angle we have to find. So what we will be doing, we can, if we join this one anywhere at the circumference, anywhere at the circumference means, okay, I will join, for example, over here, and this side also if I'll join with this one, this is the extension which we are doing. So now if we consider this diagram, for example A, B, C, and this point we can take as D. So now we have done what we have done, we have made this ABCD quadrilateral, and this is not just quadrilateral, this is equilateral quadrilateral. So this equilateral quadrilateral in ABCD, you can write quadrilateral ABCD. This is cyclic quadrilateral. 130 plus D is equal to 180 degree. So this angle plus this angle, they are opposite to each other. So these two angles will be adding up to 180 degree. So angle D will be equal to, we can put angle over here, angle D will be equal to 180 minus 130. This is equal to 50 degrees. So this angle D is 50 degrees, which we have calculated. So this one is double this angle, because this is angle at the center and this is angle at the circumference from the same arc AC. So we can write angle AOC is equal to 2 times angle D, which is equal to 2 times 50, and this is equal to 100. So we can write here 100 degrees. Question number 9, write the recurring decimal 0.47 recurring as a fraction. So we can put x is equal to 0.47 recurring, and now if we just multiply this side by 10, so 10x will be equal to 4.777 recurring. So this is like one more step, 100x will be equal to 47.777 recurring. Now we can subtract, like we will write here first 100, x is equal to 47.777 recurring, and 10x will be equal to 4.777 recurring, and now we will subtract. This will be 90x will be equal to 47 minus 4 will be 43. So recurring portion will be cancelled. Now x is equal to 43 over 90, and this is our answer. We can write 43 over 90. This will be our answer. Now question number 10, this is question number 10, and f of x is equal to 2x plus 3. We have to find f of 1 minus x. So x will be replaced by 1 minus x. So f of 1 minus x is equal to 2 into x will be replaced by 1 minus x. Here will be 1 minus x plus 3. We can open this one. This will be 2 minus 2x plus 3. This will be equal to, we can write here 2 plus 3 will be 5. So 5 minus 2x. So f of x is equal to 5 minus 2x. 5 minus 2x. So question number 10 is done. Next question is question number 11. They have given us 5 cards. The diagram shows 5 cards. 2 of the cards are taken at random without replacement. Without replacement. This is important. Find the probability that both cards show an even number. So property of even number, this is even and this is even. So there are 2 even out of 5, so probability will be 2 by 5. And next card, when we have taken 1 card, next card will be without replacement, so it will be 1 less than 2, and total will also reduce to 4. So this will be multiplied, and this will be equal to 2 into 2 will be 2, and 5 into 4 will be 20. So 2 by 20 will be the probability. We will write 2 by 20. Question number 12. From the list of numbers, write down, from this list we will have to write down the multiple of 7. If we check, this is totally divisible by 7, so this is multiple of 7. We can write here 28. Then a cube number, or like for example, in this one, cube number will be, for example, this is 3 cubes, so we can write here 27 is a cube number. The next one is prime number. Prime numbers are which are divisible by 1 and itself only. So we can write 29 or 31. So I will write for 31. And next is question number 13. This algebraic question is given. Find the value of a, b. We have to compare. We'll have to change format of this one. So x square and plus 4 we can change into, this is basically completing square question. So 4 into 2 into x, sorry, 2 into 2 into x. So this one 4, instead of 4 we have written 2 multiplied by 2, and this will be a square plus 2ab and plus b square. B is 2, so we'll write here plus 4, or 2 squared. We can write here 2 squared. This is, we have added this one which is not in this, so we will subtract also to keep the equation balanced, minus 9, which is this one. So we have added and subtracted this part, so which will not be changing because this is plus and minus, so it will be, it can be cancelled and equation will be same as above. So this portion is square of x plus 2, so we'll write x plus 2 squared, and minus, this will be 4 minus 9, 4 minus 9 will be 13. So if we compare this one, a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 13. So we can give values, a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 13. Question number 14. Fraction, basically addition of fractions question. We can simply add them by factorization, by LCM method. So 5 over 6 plus 2 by 3. We can take LCM as 6. So this will be 5 plus 3 2s are 6. So 2 2s are 4. So this will be equal to 9 over 6, and which is basically 3 by 2. After simplification, we can divide by 3. 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. So answer will be 1 whole 1 by 2. Expand and simplify. X plus 1, x plus 2 plus this one, just you will have to multiply. X with x will be x square, then x with 2 will be plus 2x, and 1 with x will be plus x, and 1 with 2 will be 2. Then plus 2x will be multiplied inside, 2x squared minus 2x minus 3x will be 6x. So this will be this algebraic expression when we open this one. Now x square and 2x square will be resulting to 3x square. Like terms will be adding. 2x plus 1 will be 1x will be 3x, 3x minus 6x, minus 3x will be the resultant, and plus 2. So this will be our final answer, 3x squared minus 3x plus 2. Next is question number 16 is proportionality question, inverse proportional. So inversely proportional. Y is inversely proportional to the square root of this. So we can write y is inversely proportional of square root of x plus 1. So equality sign, we will have to use the constant. We will take k as constant over square root of x plus 1. Now they are saying x is equal to 8 when y is equal to 2. So these two values we will be using to find the value of k. Y is equal to 2, we'll replace this one, then k as it is, and because we are finding the value of k, root of 8 is actually 8 plus 1. So this will be equal to k over 9 under root, and then we can write k is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 will be 6. So k is equal to 6. So our equation will reduce to y is equal to 6 over root of x plus 1, and now we have to find value of y when x is equal to 99. So y we have to find when x is equal to 99, it will be 99 plus 1 root. So this will be equal to 6 over plus minus 10, because root of 99 plus 1 is 100. So 9, we can take root of 99 plus 1 will be equal to 10. So plus minus 10 we can write here. So answer will be, we can divide 6 by 10. 6 divided by 10 will be 0.6. So we'll write plus minus 0.6 will be our answer. This is 3 marks question, it's easy. And now we'll move to the next question, which is 17, which we have to factorize. Basically this is by formula we can factorize, and I will write formula for you. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. This is the formula which we will be using in this question. So p square minus q square will be equal to p plus q and p minus q. So p square minus q square is equal to p plus q into p minus q. That's all. This is the answer, p plus q in brackets and p minus q as well as in brackets. So b part, p square minus q square, they have given these values, and find this one. So the same formula we will use. We will write here p square minus q square is equal to p plus q and p minus q. So this value is 7 is equal to this value we have to find, so as it is, and this value is 2, so we'll write here 2, and 2 we can shift to this side, so we will write p plus q is equal to 7 by 2. So our answer will be 7 over 2. Question number 18, simplify this. We have to take power of this one individually. 81 raised to power 3 by 4 and y raised to power 16 multiplied by 3 by 4. So this will be equal to 81 raised to the power 3 over 4, which is equal to 27. So we will write here 27, and 16 multiplied by 3 over 4, this will be equal to 12. So y raised to the power 12. Our answer will be 27 y raised to the power 12. B part, 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 4 raised to the power p. Find the value of p. 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to, instead of 4 we can write 2 raised to the power 2p. Now bases are same, powers will be also same, so 3 will be equal to 2p. This implies p is equal to 3 by 2. So answer will be 3/2. A model of a car, question number 19. A model of a car has a scale 1:20. The volume of the actual car is 12 meter cube. See the units, meter cube. Find the value of model. Give your answer in cubic centimeters. So we'll have to take care of units. First of all, k will be 1:20. So we can write k is equal to 1/20. And then we'll have to, for volume, we will be taking cube of k. So k cube will be equal to 1/20 whole cube. And this one we will be multiplying 12 meter cube. So 12 meter cube mean we will be multiplying it. We'll have to convert meter cube into centimeters. So 1 times, 2 times and 3 times 100, because each meter is having 100 centimeters. So these are 3 meters which we are shifting into centimeters. So this is 12 into this and multiply by this factor, which is 1/20 whole raised by 3, and we can calculate this one. 12 multiplied by 100 multiply by 100 and again multiply by 100 and multiply by fraction 1/20, and fraction will be closed and raised to the power 3. This will be equal to 1500 centimeter cube. So this one we can write equal to 1500 centimeter cube. So 1500 will be our final answer. Now next is question number 20. Write a single fraction in its simplest form. Two algebraic fractions are given, and algebraic fractions are easier if you are aware of the technique. We will be taking LCM, and these two things will be as LCM. So x plus 2 and 3x plus minus 1, this will be our LCM. So this will be cancelled with this, and this will be multiplied by 1. 3x minus 1 and minus 2 into this one, so 2 into x plus 2. Now just we have to simplify, open the brackets. This will be 3x minus 1, and opening this one, minus will be changing sign, so 2x, and minus 4 divided by x plus 2 into x minus 1. And then we'll have to add the like terms. 3x minus 2x will be equal to x minus 1 minus 5 will be minus 1 minus 4 will be minus 5 divided by x plus 2, and this is basically not x minus 1, this is 3x minus 1. So I'll write 3x minus 1 over here. So answer will be x minus 5 over x plus 2 into 3x minus 1. Now this is question number 20. In this question, the diagram shows a pyramid. This is a pyramid with a square base ABCD. ABCD. This is square base of side each. This is 8 centimeter. This is also 8 centimeters. So these, each side is 8 centimeter. The diagonal of the square AC and BD, intersect at M. This is point M where they are intersecting each other. V is vertically above. So this is straight up. V is vertically above M, and VM is equal to 10. So this side is given, this height is 10 centimeters. Calculate the angle between VA and the base. VA is this one, this slanting height, and the base is this one. So we require this angle, basically this angle is required. So before this one, for this angle, calculation of this angle, we require this slanting height is required. So slanting height we can find, basically first we have to find this AM. So AM we can find, first we have to find AM we'll have to find AC. We will consider this triangle, this shaded triangle. I'll shade for you so that you can. So this is ABC triangle, which in this triangle, this is right angle triangle. This one is right angled. So we can use Pythagoras theorem to find AC. So we'll write AC, I will be writing over here. AC is equal to this side AB squared plus BC squared root. So this will be equal to 8 squared plus 8 squared, because both sides are 8. So we can use calculator. 8 squared plus 8 squared, this will be equal to 8 under root 2. I will take it as 8 under root 2. I'm not taking decimal values because we have to round in that case, so I'm taking this value. Basically AC is equal to this one. So AM is equal to half of AC, and this will be equal to half of 8 under root 2. We can multiply this one. So this divided by 2 will be equal to 4 under root 2. So this will be 4 under root 2 will be this AM. Now we have AM and we have this VM. So we can use VM, which is opposite over adjacent. So VM over AM is equal to tan theta. So now we can write like theta is equal to tan inverse of VM, which is 10. So 10 divided by AM, which is 4 under root 2, and then we have to calculate inverse tan of 10 divided by 4 under root 2. This one will be this value, which is 60.50. So this is equal to 60.50. Our answer will be 60.50 degrees. Then next question is 22. Question number 22 says there are the first 4. These are the first 4 terms of sequence. Write on the next term. If we check, 8 minus 5 will be 3. So adding 3. This is 11 minus 8 is also 3. 14 minus 11 is also 3. Next term will add 3. So this will be 17. Next term will be 17. They are saying find the nth term. Nth term will be difference. 3 into n. 3 into n. If we replace 1, we will get 3. But we need 5. So plus 2. So this will be 3n plus 2. This will be the nth term. Then they are saying these are the first 5 terms of the sequence. So next term we have to write. Find the next term. This is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and next will be 12, and this is 1, 3, 7. Difference of these two is 2, 1 and 3. Like if I write separately, 1, 3, 7, 13 and 21. So difference between these two is 2. This one is 4. This one is 6, then this one is 8, next will be 10. So this will be 21 plus 10 will be 31. So here we can write 31. Then question number 23 is matrices question. P is given. We have to find P square. So we'll be multiplying this 4. This is P value, again P value, 3, 1. 2, 4, because we need square. So this row with this column. So this will be 3 into 3, which will be 9, and 1 into 2, this will be plus 2. This one, then second term, 3 into this one is done with this one, and this one will be this 3 into 1 will be 3, and 1 into 4 will be 4, so plus 4, and this one will be second row first column. 2 into 3 will be 6, 4 into 2 will be 8, so 8. This is 2 into 1 will be 2, and 4 into 4 will be 16. This will be equal to 9 plus 2 will be 11, and then 3 plus 4 will be 7, and this will be 14, and this one will be 18. So this will be our answer, which we can copy over here: 11, 7, 14 and 18. Then we have to find the inverse of P. So P inverse is equal to adjoint of P over P mod. So this will be equal to adjoint. We are changing these two locations, so it will be 4 and 3. We have switched the location, and minus sign of this one. So minus 1 and minus 2, this one, over A mod. Mod will be 3 into 4 will be 12, minus 2 into 1 will be 2, so minus 2. So this will be 1 over 10 into 4 minus 1 and minus 2 and 3. So we write here 1 over 10, this will be 4, this will be minus 1, this will be minus 2, and this will be 3. Now this is question number 14. Speed time graph is given. The diagram shows information about the final 70 seconds of the car journey. Find the acceleration of the car between 60 and 70. This one, we require slope of this one, or gradient of this. So rise, this side is from 0 to 20, so this side is 20, this side is 10, 70 minus 60 will be 10. So gradient will be 20 by 10, which is equal to 2. So we'll write 2 meter per second square. Find the distance traveled by the car. So distance traveled will be two portions. One is this rectangle, and the second one is this triangle. So we'll be checking the whole area. That is, distance will be, for this one will be 60, this side will be 60, and multiply by this side, which will, this is like a rectangle area, length into width, and plus triangle area, you know, half into base into height, half into base, which is 10, and height, which is 20. So when we add these two areas, this will be the area under the curve. So this is, we can use calculator in one go. We can calculate 60 into 20 and plus 1 by 2, 1 over 2 into 10 and 20. So this will be equal to 1300. 1300, and units will be meters, because this is meters, so we can write here 1300 meters. Question number 25. This is vectors question. OABC is a parallelogram on O, and O is origin. This is origin. CK, C to K, this one is equal to 2 kb. So this is 2:1. Total is 3. So this side is P, this side will also be P. So this will be 2 by 3 P, and direction is this one, and this will be 1 by 3 P, and direction will be this one. So we have done this. Then M is the midpoint of KL. This is a midpoint of K and L. So these are 1:1. This is 1:1. And then OA is equal to P and OC is equal to Q. Then find in terms of P and Q, giving your answer in the simplest form: KL. KL. K to L, we have to find this all. So we can take this route. KL will be this direction. So we will be taking this one as minus, because direction will be opposite. So minus 2 by 3 P, and this will be minus Q. and this will be plus p, and we require this side, which is this side is q, this is q, this is half of q, so this will be q by 2 or 1 by 2q. So plus 1 over 2q. Now we'll be adding like terms. This is minus 2 by 3 plus 1. So minus 2 over 3 and plus 1 is this p. So these two terms we are combining. This will be equal to 1 by 3. So it will be 1 by 3p, and minus this one is minus 1. So minus 1 plus half. So it will be minus 1 plus 1 plus 0.5 half. So it will minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2q. So our answer will be 1 by 3p minus 1 by 2q. B part, the position vector of m. For position vector of m, we will be joining O with m first. So we will be joining O with m. We can join this m with O, and I will use the dotted line to show O and m. This is OM, which we have to find, and we need this direction. So position vector of m, this is OM. We can take this route, or we can take this, basically OM is this one, so we can take this route or this route, whatever is suitable to us. So this will be, we can take this route, like this will be q plus 2 by 3p. So 2 by 3p, this plus this we have done, and this will be what? This will be half of this one. K to m will be half of this one, because this is KL is this one. So Km, we will take half of this. So I will write here plus half of this value, 1 by 3p minus 1 by 2q. So now just we have to simplify this. We can open this one, q plus 2 by 3p plus this will be 1 by 6p, and half into this will be minus 1 by 4q. Now this is p and this is p, so two terms we will add, 2 over 3 plus 1 by 6. So 1 over 6, this will be equal to 5 by 6. So we can write 5 over 6p. These two are done. Now these two, 1 minus 1 by 4. So 1 minus 1 over 4, this will be equal to 3 by 4. So this is plus 3 by 4q. So this is our answer, 5 by 6p plus 3 by 4q. Hopefully you understood each and everything till now. Now the next last question of this paper is question number 26. So we can go through this question number 26 as well. This is saying line L passes through the points 0, -3 and 6 and 9. So find the equation of line. For that one, for equation of line we require the gradient. So m will be equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which is equal to y2, we can take this one, 9 minus -3 over 6 minus 0. So this will be 9 plus 3, which is 12 over 6, which is equal to 2. So m value is 2. Now we can use any of these 2 points. I am choosing this point. So y minus y1, which is 9, is equal to gradient, which is 2, into x minus x1, which is 6. Now we can open the bracket. So y minus 9 is equal to 2x minus 12. Now we can shift 9 to other side. So y will be equal to 2x minus 12 plus 9. So final answer will be y is equal to 2x minus 3. So we can write here y is equal to 2x minus 3. Find the equation of the line that is perpendicular to this line. Perpendicular to this line means gradient will be reciprocal, and so m perpendicular will be equal to reciprocal mean 1 by 2 and change sign. This is plus, so this will be negative. So minus 1 by 2, and the point is this one. So again we'll use the same formula, y minus y1 is 2. So I'll write here 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2 into x minus 0. So this will be y minus 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2x and minus 0. We can shift 2 to other side. Y is equal to minus 1 by 2x plus 2. So our answer, final answer will be here. Hope you understand everything, and if you like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon button also, so that you will be getting intimation for the incoming videos. I'll be uploading topic wise videos as well. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.